Hello friends, it's Sienna and today I have the key lime lemonade. This is a new lemonade at Chick-Fil-A and of course I have to give it a try. That's really good. So it has a it's giving limeade vibes, very lime flavor, lemonade, had a baby, limeade. I like that a lot. It doesn't look like lime color, which is good because that means they're not adding dyes to it. So I think this is really good, honestly. They have a regular and a diet version, and I'll give this an 8 out of 10. If you guys have tried this, comment below, give this video a big thumbs up, and I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.